In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this shot using just one light. So we're going to dive more into details on how I was able to achieve this shot. The first thing Samuel Play said to me is, how is it possible for us to have a dark scene whereby I'm just on a chair sitting and just having a drink and speaking straight to the camera? And this is the shot we are trying to get for that shot. So the lights we're going to be utilizing for this shot is Nanlite Foza 300. I have been using this product for over 2 years now. Trust me, it is a highly recommended and a beautiful light that I would always choose over and over again. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be placing this light above and wrapping it with papers in order to create that spotlight we need. Now, in this way, we are going to isolate the backgrounds and make the background even much darker in order to isolate the background, or rather stopping the light from hitting the background and only focusing on the subject. We do not have a modifier or a light funnel for this, so that is why we're going to be using this wrapped paper. Of course, we're going to make it a little longer so that the light doesn't spill outside the subject, just focusing only on the subject. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply some effect that comes with this light. So this light comes in not just with some effect, it comes in with more effect that we can play around with. We have the TV effect. I wish I can name all of the effects right here. There's a lot of effect that we can utilize on this light. To the thunder effect, to the storm effect, to just about anything that we can think of. So now we have utilized all of the effect we need. This is how the shot is looking. With just one light, we're able to achieve this.
When I close my eyes, I see the darkness. The world is leading us astray. Bad people of the world leading us astray.
That's the end of this video, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you haven't subscribed, this is the perfect time for you to hit that subscribe button. Turn up your notification. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.